Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be opening up some rocks, some boxes of rocks I got, some packages that showed up in the mail. I got some petrified wood, some tiger's eye, and this is a sphere, a large sphere, so let's get to it. Alright, so this is the petrified wood from crystalallies.com. Had a really good deal on it, $2.69 a pound. They actually had, you could choose the size you wanted to. I got the extra large ones. And yeah, let's check it out. Ooh, that one's cool. Nice. Oh, I like that. So this was their half tumble. That's what they called it. And it's pretty shiny. Not bad. So this is their extra large version, and they accidentally sent me 2 pounds of smalls. Because I guess they ran out of the large. I don't know. And to be honest, this was a nightmare to deal with, this company. I ordered 20 pounds of half-tumbled chevron amethyst, and they sent me 20 pounds of rough. And then they messed up on these two, and it all came in 8 different packages instead of just one box. And instead of being shipped straight to my house, it traveled the countryside first, just to be delivered back to the city it came from. This came out of that Hillsboro, Oregon Amazon warehouse, and I live 4 miles from that warehouse in Beaverton, Oregon. And I still had to pay $27 to get all this stuff shipped. And it went from Hillsboro to Phoenix, Arizona, then it went to California, then it went to Kent, Washington, and then made it back to Beaverton. So not bad for the 1 pound here. Some neat stuff. Yeah, and you get 50% off your first order, which is pretty cool. But like I said, they messed up pretty good. Still haven't gotten back to me on how they're gonna make it right. So I don't know, we'll see. I do want to order more of this stuff though. It's a really good deal. I mean, this was like $5. You know, I'd say $7.50 for all of this stuff. And then I got it half price. So very cool. Got some of my own stuff here that I've tumbled. Just landscaping rocks, nothing worth bragging about, but still fun to play with. So yeah, this stuff's cool, man. I like it. And I do want to order more, but I'm skeptical, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, if you want to get into the rest of these, let's do it. Ooh, nice stuff. Oh, cool. Like that. Oh, man. There's some really good stuff in here. Whoa, that's cool. That's really... Ooh, yeah. Oh, sick. Oh, dude, there's so many good ones in that bag. Oh, wow. Dang, there's some chunky ones too. That's cool. Ooh, ah, beautiful. Huh. Gotta kind of spread out. See them. All right, we got them all opened up. Man, there's some cool stuff in here. Pretty happy actually. So all of this was like under 20 bucks. So that's a good deal. And let's cut this one open now. I'm excited for this. Pretty. Let me see if I can set up the camera. Oh yeah. Well, easier. Oh. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see that flash. Holy shit. Sorry for my cussing. Wow. Okay, that's pretty neat. It's all polished. It's really cold, so it's kind of like fogging up. All right, here's the tiger eye. God, that is awesome, dude. And this is like 6.5 pounds, I think, is what I mean, it's a big piece of it's a big rock. Dang, that's cool. It's been polished decently. I could probably get it to shine way better than this for sure. But dang, that's sweet. Really sweet cut. All right, cool. All right, let's get that sphere opened up. All right. This is probably the 10th one of these things I've bought. I have a little bit of an obsession with them. Oh yeah, baby. So this is like 17 pounds. I think this is the 17-pound one. I can weigh it. Ooh. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Ooh, beauty. Oh, yeah. That's nice. In perfect condition. Sometimes I get worried shipping this stuff. It's gonna be broken. All right. Not bad, not a bad day. I also have this half-tumbled rose quartz from Crystal Allies. Extra large. I guess I could dump that out and show you. We'll just put it on top. Oh yeah, and a lot of it came broken. These guys did not pack this stuff properly when it probably left China, but dude, these are nice chunks. Like, look at that. I think this was $3 a pound, you guys. This is crazy. Gotta get in. Yeah. Wow. Some of them, I noticed one of them had a broken. It did definitely break there. But ooh, so what? These are nice. You could always go back in the tumbler. Oh, that's cool. Really clear. But yeah, you could polish these up, make them into jewelry, do something cool with them. Yeah, buddy. Oh, that is sick, you guys. Oh, the chatoyance is insane. Yeah, and this was $46, you guys. That was $75. Like, I don't even know how to explain this to you. So yeah, that sphere, I won it at auction. Sorry, I'm out my garage here. So these two items were on eBay auction, and I basically just kind of bid what I would pay maximum for them. Actually, about half of what I would pay max. And then once I get outbid, I wait till about 5 minutes before the auction ends and kind of see where things are. And it's usually, like, I was the last bidder, so it's usually about half of what I would pay. And then I just say, okay, I'm willing to pay, you know, like what, $50 for that item. I'll put it at 50. All of a sudden I'm the high bidder, and then everybody has to bid up to 50 until they're either the high bidder or they're just like, they tap out and they're like, nah. And sometimes I'll put it at like $52 because a lot of people tap out at even numbers. They'll tap out at 50 and they might do 51, but then they're like, nah, I'm done. I'm not gonna pay $50 for that. And then I get it for 51, 52 bucks. And yeah, so I got that tiger's eye, $46. And then that sphere, 75 bucks, you guys. Wow. I mean, I've paid over 100 or more for stuff this size. So 75 bucks, awesome deal. Even $100 awesome deal. Yeah, hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe, come back, check out my content. I got a bunch of cool stuff to show you. I've got a homemade rock tumbler that I built, a slab saw that I built out of an old Harbor Freight saw, and just kind of, you know, all kinds of fun stuff with rocks, and not trying to get too crazy with it, like spending a lot of money either. So I'll show you how to do some stuff on the cheap, especially if you're brand new to this. So anyway, have a good day.